What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we'll be looking at the new Gorilla Tag update. Sadly, I have no friends to play with, so it's just gonna be on August 17th. I'll make a video about it. Oh my god, it still feels so weird with the new change. April Granddad. Rocket, bro. I've seen the. Why is my thing off, bro? Okay. You know, I don't care. I'm just checking the cosmetics though. That's the most thing. Metro. Why did that take me so? Is that like a robber thing? Wait, what's this? That's gone. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell? No, is there anything in the second floor? Oh wait! I need. No way. No way. Wait, looks like it. No way. Wait. Okay, we're gonna do that after. Okay. First, I want to check out what this is. Oh, new bundle. Is that the police outfit? New bundle. Yeah, it's like a police. It's cool. I don't want to see it because I got $60. Just that, no gun. No. But the best thing is the gun. What? Oh no, I'm buying this. Okay, so this is going up, and then this thing, and then turning it up. Hey, wait, just give me a second. I feel like that'll be like. So I just need to see how much everything costs. So purchase. So there's a bonus €40 for 11,000. That's better than this, but that's better than that buying too. Okay, how much is it? I'm gonna spend €20 on this. I'm gonna call my dad today because he's in Italy without me. Anyway, whoa! I didn't even see this. I'm blind as hell. I'm buying that later. Is this the Statue of Liberty? No way. Those things. Okay. I think I just saw the Statue of Liberty. Wait, guys. Oh, wait. Oh my god, you see the reference? I don't live in America. I don't know how it works. Okay, let's check everything out. Dumbbell? Wait. Donuts? Is this donut? What is this? This is a donut. What is this? Is that money? You know, no joke. I feel like this is a reference to America because of this. But like this is, pizza. Is that floating though? Is this free? I bet it's free. These ones you already saw. Yeah. You guys, I can do a really good actor impression, a very good celebrity impression. Want to see it? Okay, bet. Honey, I'm Stephen Hawking. Okay. You guys get it, right? Okay, let's check out that. Is that new pretzel balloon? I'm just gonna get these things real quick. Wait, so, okay. Oh, these are back. Oh, wait, it's the new colors. 3 days remaining. No days on this? 3 days on. Yeah, okay, but let's check. Okay, there's just a bunch of sparklers. Yeah. That one. These are really cool. My friend has this. Beef VR has this one. Bro, he changed his name. He changed it to Peppermint VR. Peppermint. Okay, but I'm just gonna do it. Wait on. Okay, you know what? I can't wait anymore. New map. New map. Oh, this is scary. Doug the bug. Oh, I don't like this. What? Wait, is that a train? Is there a train? No way, though. What is this? Where am I opening my door? I feel like a lava is gonna come in. Okay, guys. Wait, am I like a giant? Wait, what is this? A statue? That's sick. Oh, wait. That's new. I think that's new. Well, I want to go up there. Yeah, I think I'm a giant. Wait, can I go in here? Oh, that's so cool. Wait, guys, this is like the tallest place in the map. I'm like Gorilla Tag. Can we go on those? Yo! Where do we get jump? Oh, okay. What's this down here? It's a nice entrance. Yeah, but I think I'm a giant. Oh my god. Oh, look at it. Oh yeah, I'm pretty tall, I guess. You could say I'm pretty tall in real life. By the way, in real life. Oh. Wait, is this also new? I don't know. Oh, I'm bouncing on it. Damn! Wait, is this... Oh, well, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. Yahoo! Oh, wait, this is so fun. Just jumping on different ones. Yeah! Okay, we're gonna jump to that far one. No way. Nah! Wait, this is really fun. I'm gonna jump. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, wait. Back on. We're gonna jump to the city, though. Can we jump there? I don't think we can. We cannot. Let me think for a second. Whoa, but this is so skibbity, bro. My dad said that the other day. I was like, what do it? Oh, that's glitched again, bro. When you go into... Anyways. Oh, no. Bro, but this is like just walking around a city. But I feel like this could be good for role plays. Like robber role plays and stuff. Anyways. It's like... I feel like there's like stuff in there. So guys, who's gonna win the Euros? Free Fire Germany's gonna win the Euros, and Canada is gonna win the America. And they might have lost to Argentina, but like Canada's out of the group stage. Anyways, let's see some of these paintings. Which were, there's Dr. Bug, yeah. Okay. Anyways, I want to see this one. Oh, wait. Damn. Okay, that's true. So if I turn and look. Okay, so that's just on my arms. Wait, can I like press it? No. Oh, this is so fun. No. Okay, I'm buying this later. Okay. Thank you. Oh, let me get over here. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next one. Toodaloo!